Okay. Last 2 days ago, it was moving towards Tonga, and it was a category T system. And in last 48 hours, we see that it has breezed to the northwest of Niue, and it has now turned and moving westward. It has, over the last 24 hours, it has intensified from category 3 system to a category 4 system, and as it is going to move westward, it is going to further intensify into a category 5 system, and then briefly, and then it will going to be a category 4 system and move further westwards. Okay, so when you see on the satellite map, it has organized itself in last 48 to 72 hours. It's quite intense. It's a category 4 system right now, and as it's going to move further to the westward towards Fiji, it is going to still be a category 4 system, and we expect tropical cyclone Winston to enter Fiji waters as category 4 system. On its projected path, we are expecting that the tropical cyclone Winston is going to approach the Fiji group from the east, and as such we have issued a tropical cyclone alert for the Lao group, and the gales force winds is expected to affect the Lao group later by Saturday or early hours of Sunday. Currently, a strong wind warning remains in force for the Lao waters as well as the Koro Sea, and what we need to understand that when it was going close to the Oni Lao, it was a category 2 system. On its return, it is coming as a category 4 system. So we need to be well prepared for this tropical cyclone as it approaches to the Fiji group from the east. The communities, especially in the Lao group, are requested to prepare for the gale force winds, as it is a category 4 system. It has a winds around its center of about 90 knots, and if it enters as a category 4 system, then we can expect the damages that it may cause could be twice as we saw during the northward passage of Winston a couple of days ago.